This thing's way faster than it used to be, actually. We'll take it over to the track. Since you're not suited up, I don't want, we're not going to try and do the fastest thing. All we want to do is hit the brakes, see how the shocks feel, take off, but nothing crazy.
Right.
If you think it's right, we'll come back, we'll get you suited up, and then we'll do some hard tests.
Yeah.
So I'm only looking like, quarter, maybe half throttle.
Right.
And just in a straight line, hit the brakes.
Yeah.
And then if everything seems right, everything looks right, we'll come back, get you suited up. Do any adjustments you want to do to the truck. Get us on microphones and everything else, on walkie-talkies, so we can communicate with each other.
Right.
All right, let's take it up the Let's keep up and down. Well, he said don't worry about it, but yeah, we're going to only turn on one side.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we're not tearing it up as much. Let me get the stuff off the back. Pain in the ass to redo all the shocks, but wouldn't you want it to lower her ride height?
Yeah, I mean, it felt pretty steady though. And good, didn't it drift to turn?
Yeah, I'm just trying to make it for you.
Right.
But if we could get the ride height just a little lower, it's just a little high. Well, let's take it over. Let's see if Mom will go mess. This thing's way faster than it used to be, actually.
So we just finished here testing the new truck. We kind of wanted to drive it around a little bit, make sure all the bugs are worked out of it. It ran great, so we'll see you guys in San Diego. Places.
We'll walk around, or you're refilming.
I'm filming.
No, go over there.
Oh my god.
Because then I'll just walk around like I'm
He's
filming.
gonna be able to film from Hollywood.
I'm already starting to sweat.
You can't see me start. Let me walk.
Well, where do you want me to go? Oh my gosh. So you're gonna walk in. Billy Mays here. Okay.
That was good.